Welcome to Mini Math Minutes with Dr. Sue. Today we're going to work on dividing terms that contain exponents. We're going to learn the basic concepts and then you'll be ready to try problems on your own. So let's take a look. Today we're going to talk about dividing exponents. So let's start with the rule. The rule reads like this. X to the a divided by x to the b equals x to the a minus b. But the important thing to remember is that these are rules that make life easier for you. It's not like they're magical somehow. So let's start with an example and see what happens. Let's say you have x to the fifth divided by x squared. Okay, let's expand it so we can see what's going on. We have x times x times x times x times x divided by x times x. And we can take a moment and look, what's x over x? Well, that's actually 1, isn't it? And this x over x is actually 1. So when we actually multiply it back together, we have 1 times 1 times x times x times x. Well, 3x's multiplied together is x cubed. And that's upstairs, that's in the numerator. In the denominator, we have 1 times 1, which is just 1. So this would be x cubed. But let's take a minute and go ahead and use our rule and see if we can find a shortcut. So according to the rule, x to the fifth divided by x squared should be x to the 5 minus 2, the top minus the bottom, and that's equal to x cubed. It works, no problem. Let's try another example. Let's say we have 4x to the fourth y divided by 6x. Let's see what happens. Well, I'm going to expand this. 4 times x times x times x times x times y divided by 6 times x. Now let's look at what can get simplified. The 4 and the 6, well, these are just fractions. 4 over 6 simplifies to 2 over 3. And x over x simplifies to 1 over 1. Now this can all be reduced by multiplying it back together again. See what we get. We have 2 in the numerator times x times x times x, which is x cubed, and the y is there, divided by 3 times 1, which is 3. Could we have done this using a shortcut? Well, let's take a minute and take a look. 4 over 6 simplifies to 2 over 3. And 4x is upstairs and 1x downstairs. This simplifies to x cubed. And we just get 2x cubed y over 3. Today we reviewed how to divide terms that contain exponents. Hopefully at this point you feel confident that you can handle those kinds of problems. If this was helpful, please take a minute and like, subscribe, and feel free to leave me a comment. And if there's another topic you'd like me to go over, put that in the comments also. You can find me at my website, furmantutoring.com.